Hi everyone, Happy New Year! How was your holiday? And I really hope that you have had a very good, restful, peaceful and a wonderful time with your loved one during the holiday season. Wishing you all abundant happiness, many successes and most importantly, good health in this slightly another challenging year ahead. Please take very good care, stay well and stay safe. Despite the fear and uncertainty of the widespread of the new variant, as well as the fatigue for any restrictions, hope that we all still feel with hope that 2022 will be a better year than the last two. I'm so sorry that I haven't been able to update this channel as often as I wish to, actually for quite a while now due to very stressful work in pharmacy, Chinese medicine, as well as I'm relaunching my online course again in January. Before I get busier, especially the COVID cases in Australia has been increasing quite a lot. I thought I would come in here to say hi. I would also like to take this opportunity to say a million thanks to each and every one of you. Actually last year around this time I make a similar thank you video. At that time I think I only have about 500 subscribers and now we are very close to 5,000 subscribers. It's like a super big family here. So my sincere thanks for your support all this time and accompany me in this journey every single step along the way. And it's really shown me how much every one of you really want to learn more about Chinese herbs and how to use them for self-care at home. It is such an important knowledge to have in good times and in bad times, and even more so in time like this. On that note, I thought I would like to share some updates, my dreams and visions for Chinese Herbal Pantry in 2022. I do usually like to reflect on the past year and make New Year resolutions, so I thought it's a good time to share with you guys. Firstly, I want to let you know that I'm actually teaching my online course again. Class will start on 22nd of January, which is very soon. I have been quietly preparing for it, mostly spending my time emailing and talking to those of you who join my wait list. I haven't really had time to talk much about it or make video about it until now. So if you hear from me now and want to take your understanding of Chinese up to the next level, please go to the link on the screen, I think here or here, and I will also leave the link in the description box. So you get to go to my website to check out all the informations. New Year is such a great time to learn something new and nurturing a new, healthier you. I think there's no better time to do it while we still have this high spirit of making New Year resolutions. Even for those who no longer make New Year resolutions, and I think it is such an important time to really make the time to learn and look after ourselves. So what I'm going to teach in the course is by the end of the course, you will learn how to listen to your body and create some simple herbal recipe, especially just for yourself, because you know yourself well. You learn the signs and symptoms when they're going to appear, and then you take the herbs appropriately, mostly through drinking Chinese herbal tea and also herbal soup. Importantly, because in Chinese medicine we believe prevention is always better than cure or treatment. So by understanding the changes and then knowing how your body may respond to it, and then you use herbs to balance that, we say the yin and yang, so to prevent very minor symptoms to spiral down to severe symptoms in the future. And herbal tea and herbal soup are such a good way to start and something very easy to do at home. And this is where my course, the focus is, and it will be fun and yummy too. What I teach in my course and the recipe that I give it to you are something that you can use quite immediately, as well as serving as the foundation for continuing and future learning in Chinese medicine and Chinese herbs. Because in the first couple modules, I will go through the basics of traditional Chinese medicine and the basic of Chinese herbs. This course is for people who want to have more structured learning in Chinese herbs or Chinese medicine instead of you randomly research online, but only finding incomplete, inaccurate, or even misleading information. During this course, we will have live group Q&A sessions where students can bring all their questions or all your questions to me, and I'll try my best to answer them. You might have seen some of my live Q&A session in this channel. I will leave the link above and also in the description box, so you can check out how the interactions are and what kind of questions students can bring to the class. This is the best way to learn Chinese medicine, through question and answer and also discussion with fellow students. Study on your own is very hard and sometimes it's not very efficient. Being a Western medicine pharmacy, actually some people ask me whether I'm a Chinese medicine pharmacist. No, in Australia when we say pharmacist, we are Western medicine pharmacy. And also being a Chinese medicine practitioner, which I also train and practice in Australia, Malaysia, as well as being an intern in major hospital in China. And I hope I could guide you in this journey, and so you can get the best of the both worlds out from me. If you're interested in this course, enrollment actually start now and the door will be closed in a few days. If you have any trouble or need to know more information, just email me directly. I'll leave my email address here. I'm really looking forward to meet some of you personally in the course who decide to take this course this time. If by the time that you watch this video, the door already closed for enrollment or already way past the time that I teach this course, please join the waitlist for the next round, which probably will be the middle of this year depending on my work schedule. So if you are free and want to take this opportunity, I would recommend you to take it now. Second good news that I would like to share here is I'm actually considering starting a membership account, highly likely at Patreon, or unless I know how to build my own membership account. In there, my content will not be filtered and affected by the algorithm here. For example, I know what kind of content will be favored by the algorithm here, but what if I have more valuable knowledge that I would want to share, but I know it won't do well here? And this is why sometimes it stops me from making more materials, simply because there are things that the algorithm don't like, and there are things that I probably can't say and or not appropriate to share in a big internet or public forum like this. And that was the reason I started the online course. And I also understand not many people can commit to a course, and then a membership might be the other option. I also wish that would be a more regular support for you, because it's very easy to watch a video, get inspired, and then forget about it and moved on to the next video. Or and I hope that membership will create a more nurturing environment, as well as you get to meet other like-minded people that you can share and exchange and discuss. So it will be more motivations and support in that memberships in the membership site. The other very important thing is that I can make more content, because I know my content no longer need to be so polished, and I know those who join who are serious to want to learn. Because here I have to make sure the content is very polished, then so people won't click it away, which will affect how my channel to grow. And of course, I have a lot of other exciting ideas that I want to implement and put in the membership, but I will talk about it more when I more ready. So do stay tuned, and I will let you know when I start that. Last but not least, I want to really share my vision in this year for this channel. I hope that with the above two, the online course and the membership, actually the membership is a paid membership, but some of the tier you only need to pay quite small amount of money, like treating me with a cup of coffee each month. But hopefully with that we can generate some income for me, and my goal is, this is like my big dream for this year, is to be able to hire a video editor or other people to help me out in here, and also I can reduce my pharmacy hours so that I can focus on creating more high quality educational videos, and possibly through other materials and medium. It is nearly impossible to continue to create free and high quality videos while I'm still working as a pharmacist, as a Chinese medicine practitioner, and still doing the scripting, the research, the filming, and the editing of the videos here all by myself. And I still have to do the social media, just so we have that connections with each other. On top of that, working as a frontline and healthcare professional during this pandemic is extremely exhausting and very stressful. And this is why my upload of the new videos are so slow. And I thank you for your patience for waiting for my videos all this time. Also, I'm forever grateful for my past and future students, as well as those of you who want to support me through the future membership site, as you not only get a good course and great education that not only can transform your life and your health, and you also allow me to continue to create free content on my various platforms. Nonetheless, I do have a few different plans, but I also will not stress myself too much. I will take one step at a time. Last but not least, and thank you again for hanging out with me here in YouTube here and with my other social media, and let us be there for each other in 2022 for a healthy, safe and fulfilling year. May all your worries will go away and the many dreams may come true in 2022. So bye for now. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.